In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Canva Magic Eraser tool, a fantastic feature available to Canva Pro users that helps you effortlessly remove unwanted parts of your images. Whether you're refining a design or simply touching up a photo, the Magic Eraser can make the editing process much smoother. So let's dive right in and explore how you can effectively use this tool. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open up your Canva design. Once you're in Canva, navigate to the design containing the image you want to edit. Locate the image that you intend to work on and click on it. This action will select the image, allowing you access to editing tools and options. Next, upon selecting the image, you'll see options appearing on the interface. Click on the Edit button, which is essential for accessing the Magic Eraser. This button is usually found in the toolbar above your design. It's important to note that having a Canva Pro subscription is necessary for using this feature, so ensure that you have access to Canva Pro to follow along with these steps. Once you are in the editing menu, you'll want to look for the Magic Eraser option. Clicking on the Magic Eraser tool will activate it, preparing it for use. The Magic Eraser is intuitive and designed to help you precisely target the areas of your image that you want to remove. Now, with the Magic Eraser tool activated, you can move on to the erasing process itself. Begin by highlighting the specific sections of the image you want to erase. Simply click and drag your cursor over these areas. As you paint over the parts of the image, you'll notice a visual highlight indicating which sections are being targeted for erasure. Finally, once you've carefully selected the areas you wish to remove, all you need to do is click on the Erase button to finalize the process. The Magic Eraser will work its charm and erase the unwanted sections of your image, leaving your design looking clean and polished. If you're not satisfied with the result, there's always the option to undo the changes and try again until you achieve perfection. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now use the Magic Eraser tool in Canva to refine your images and bring your creative vision to life. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and see what this powerful tool can do for your designs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.